Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's Epic Tours where it's fun, food, travel and rain. And today we are in Portland. Where are we?
Valkyries.
Valkyries. So we're here with 876 Portland and we are going to be, checking out some different locations in Portland today. I hope you guys enjoy.
And make sure to subscribe and give us a like, okay?
That's right. Follow, like, share, comment. I'm going to attach the links below. Alright guys, so we made it to Fishdown Falls in Buff Bay, Portland. So we're going to go a little bit closer. We were told that the water is kind of freezing, so we're going to test it out and see. You guys will see.
Icicle is down there now.
Icicles, alright?
It's popping down there.
We're going to see if we can make it in the first place. Huh? Alright. Kind of have to be maneuvering these stones, guys, with the camera. Kind of slippery. This is a what?
Fish pot.
Ah.
They used to get fish. River, boat, sea.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. What's it? Come in. See guys, it's cold. More like ice, I'm saying. Guys, actually, you come in, you kind of get acclimatized to the water, the weather in the water, which is freezing, but it's actually really, really nice. It feels really comfortable. I know I look very dry like day, but I soon going there. You're so sweet. Just wait. I have to kind of warm up to it.
Alright, so we're at Fishdown Falls with the tour guide, them the best in the world.
876 Portland.
Place, Shell. Yeah? We don't need for come. Come, forward, everything. Shellings. Really?
Freezing.
Nature of Portland.
This is there?
Why is it from?
white river. Yeah, many white river in about there, but this is the first stop, first white river. You notice all that stone is white.
Right. That all these stones are white and lovely.
That is why they call it White River. But you're in the head though.
Alright, go on. She's gonna jump. Chop, take a chop. Yo, keep it.
I think so, it's on you know.
This
This is the real flat one. Let's see.
What?